Hello, and welcome to a new edition of Inspire. We are talking with one of our Canadian distributors, Dawn Gigault from the Ontario area. Hello, welcome.
Hello, and how are you today?
I am great. I'm so glad that you're here with me today, Dawn. And you just joined SeneGence just a few months ago in October, but you actually were a customer of ours for a little bit. What made you decide to say yes to the SeneGence opportunity?
Well, I think what made me change my mind was the fact that I got to the point where I need to do something for me. And I thought, hey, why not? I'm spending all my money and buying the product. I may as well become a distributor and help other ladies that I know and give them the opportunity to get involved with a fantastic product.
And have you ever done a business like this before?
Nothing like this.
Okay.
We've done different things. My background is kitchens,
Okay.
like cooking, serving food, like whether I'm actually in the kitchen as the short order cook or the waitress or both sides of the field that way is what my main background was.
And so you joined in October and you ended up, congratulations, you earned all of your fast start. And for those of you watching that might be new, that means that Dawn had sold in her first 90 days 3,000 PV, which is 6,000 retail. So, Dawn, how did you get your business going? How did you get out there and start sharing and selling the product?
Well, I got started with starting my group and getting my friends and family involved, and they're loving the products for the ones that they have seen me do on video on my group, or if they're not sure of a color, I tell them, come on over and I'll show you what I have, see if there's something in there that you like, and go from there. And then in my small town, we have a little store that supports small businesses, so they've allowed me to open up a small pop-up shop there, where I've got product on display for sale.
I love that. And so, it sounds like you launched your business online, invited friends and family, you created a Facebook beauty group, and
Yes.
that's where you're doing most of your sharing. Um,
Yes.
what has been the hardest obstacle for you to overcome since you've never done anything like this before? What were you most nervous about when you got started?
What I'm doing right now. I
You look like
never
a
did.
professional. What do you mean?
Okay. Anybody that knows me, and I don't do selfies, I don't do videos. This is all new. When I did my party last summertime, because it was summer and we were discussing about like how waterproof the product is. Well, I live at a quarry, and my thing to do in the summer is swimming. So I literally got full makeup, put it on, took a picture, went for a 20-minute swim, came back out soaking wet, grabbed the camera, took a picture, went up to one of my girlfriends at the front end of the park and gave her the camera and told her to take a picture. And then I posted the pictures on my group saying, this is before, this is right out of the water, and this is 20 minutes later. And you couldn't tell the difference. So it was like dry makeup, wet makeup, dry again. And it was the same, which is the
Seeing is believing, right? Yeah, what a great example. So, they say that a picture just tells 1,000 words. So I would say that in your case, that definitely worked. So obviously that garnered interest and people are like, wow, what is this product? And then the
well,
sales came from there, right? Yeah.
yes,
Love
yes.
that. And so you're also doing something fun right now, a skincare accountability workshop with customers that were interested. Can you share how you got them involved and what that looks like?
Well, it's not just me doing it. There's a lot of local distributors that are all working together for this group. And what it is we're signing up our local people, and sending out sample strips to them with the 3-in-1 cleanser, the moisturizers, and then also you get in with the climate control and the lip balm and stuff that way. And with there, we're doing a check-in daily. Everybody, there's different girls, different countries. We have Australia, New Zealand, US, Canada, all participating in this and putting it together.
And so how does the group work? How do the check-ins work?
Well, so far everybody just like either does a quick check-in with their picture somehow that they have to sign in and put it onto the group so that we know that they're checking in and going that way. And then we've got the distributors. The one girl did the session this morning about how to wash your face properly. And then if you have your people doing the challenge, I'm going in each day and checking to make sure that they're staying accountable themselves. And I posted in my group this morning that we are starting today. I'm going to be checking and I'm doing it too. So I posted my fresh washed face this morning after my shower.
Beautiful. Love that. It's a great way to educate about the product, get people using all the product because you're sharing with them within samples hundreds of dollars worth of products. So it's a great way to, get somebody using our new line and getting some new business from that. Very exciting.
But if they don't see you using it, then they don't really think that you are. If you're not promoting what you're using.
Yeah. Exactly. It's a very good point. And it's a real important point to be going on doing your stories or going live in your group and sharing, that AM get ready with me routine, or now, you could do an get unready with me in the evening.
Yes.
Off, right. Love that. So you've been here only a few months. What are you looking forward to most in the future with your SeneGence business?
Well, what I would like to do is I'd like to expand, whether I get into a larger store, get into doing markets. Like I know some of the other ladies do different markets and stuff through the summertime. I don't know if I want to give my weekends up yet, but we'll see. But for me, I don't have children at home. My children are all grown and gone. It's just myself, my husband, and we're at the stage. It's like, well, I can do what I want when I want. He's gone on the road with the truck, and we'll just take it from there day by day.
Yeah, love that. Well, we're so excited that you're here with us at SeneGence. And last but not least, what is your most favorite product that you recommend to everybody?
My most favorite is the CCTM. No matter what, it's going to cover and hide anything that you have. If you're younger and you have blemishes, it covers the redness. Mm-hmm. If you have uneven skin tone, it'll even it out for you because it does change and adapt to your skin tone. It goes up and down a couple of shades from your own natural.
Yeah. Oh, you're an expert already. Only been here a few months and you're sounding like the expert that you are, which is wonderful. So thank you so much, Dawn, for sharing with us today. Continued success to you in your SeneGence journey. And we look forward to celebrating your successes along the way. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me.